In the fall and winter, when families and neighbors would gather to butcher hogs, it was often said that they used every part of the pig except the squeal. While not completely true, it does illustrate the lengths that farmers would go to waste as little as possible. Paunus is one example of a product that could be made with a byproduct of the butchering process. Pon Haus, sometimes also known as scrapple or mush, was a dish adopted by the Americans from its original Lower German dish. When butchering season rolled around, the whole community would come together to process hogs. In order to let nothing go to waste, all the bones and scraps of meat, as well as the organ meat, would be boiled down. Then, the meat and the organs would be used to make liver sausage. As a way to also use the rich broth left behind, the juice from the kettles where the liver sausage was cooked would be mixed with cornmeal and turned into paunus. The broth from the liver sausage is brought to a rolling boil, and then the cornmeal as well as salt and pepper is added in and stirred in vigorously until the mixture is thick and the cornmeal is cooked thorough. From there, the paunus could be left to solidify in pans. The solid cakes are generally then sliced to varying thicknesses and eaten fresh, or then frozen to keep for later. Cooking practices vary. Some people simply fry the slices of paunus until it's golden brown and crisp, while others cut it thicker and flour it before frying it in grease. Then you can plate and eat the paunus as it is or pour a little maple syrup on it.
This has been an F.J. Reitz Feel the History production.